Let's see how to add stickers in Canva. First, we open our design. In this case, let's just choose whiteboard. Once you're on the design page, we go to the left-hand side and click on the Elements tab. After clicking on it, we'll scroll down and look for stickers. Now I've found the stickers. You'll see a variety of stickers you can choose from. These can range from animated to static, so find the one that fits your design. Simply click on the sticker you like and it will appear right on your canvas. I'm feeling hungry right now, so let's choose this food sticker. As you can see, the sticker moves. Next, this one. You can resize it by dragging the corners and move it around by clicking and dragging the icon in the middle. If you want to rotate it, just click on it and then you'll see that there's a circle on the bottom, and if you drag it, it rotates the sticker itself. You can also adjust its transparency by looking at the toolbar at the top side. If you click here, you can change how transparent it is. If you're looking for more options, you can explore different sticker categories or even upload your own custom stickers. That's it. That's how you add stickers in Canva. See you soon!